So you're doing 10 grand a month then at that point, still doing other side hustles. Why did it occur to you to do other side hustles? 10 grand a month.
Because I'm just doing as much as I can. I'm doing as much as I physically can. And that wasn't the smart way to work, and I'm not saying that's the right way to do it, but with how young I was and at the time, I'm just thinking I need to do as much as I physically can. Like it's not about, I'm going to spend more time on this. What I probably should have been doing is just e-commerce and then education around e-commerce. That's what I wasn't doing. That'd have been the smarter way, but this is just what I did. But 100% of my money's still going in, 100% every time. And then I moved to my first spot, filled it, then COVID happened. And like COVID for me was just a heavy work period. Like I just got my head down big time. So it was like getting my head down with no distractions. So I wasn't playing Xbox and wasting time and stuff. Like I was working for the full thing. Yeah. I saw it as like a bit of a positive.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
But what was mad was like when lockdown happened, I was like, wow, my life's not that different anyway because of how much I was working. Thing is, when you're working on a business by yourself as well, it's like, it's not that sociable anyway. Yeah, so like Monday to Friday when you're working by yourself, other people are at work and talking to whoever, and it just affected.
Things,
I noticed my output was not.
And even if your mates are like, jump out and something like that, but you know you're not just a 9 to 5. You're constantly working all the time. So your social skills go downhill. So you mentioned there that basically every single penny that you earned, you kept into the business. Yeah. Why is it that you had that mindset, and why is it that you didn't really spend anything on yourself? Where do you think that comes from? Did someone tell you that, or did natural instinct?
I just think that like it's not moving yet.
What's not moving?
Like the business is moving, but like I've not made it yet. I mean, I've not made it now, but I'm not. It's not time to sit back and start enjoying stuff. Like it's a long process. You've got to hustle for a long time. So I just knew like the more I spend on myself, the less is going to go into the business, and that's going to be slower growth. But you do need to spend a little bit on yourself. Like there's stuff that you need. Do you know what I'm saying?
You've got to enjoy yourself from time to time.
You've got to enjoy yourself from time to time because that affects your output through the week anyway.
Yeah, because it's like you need to know, you need to have something to work towards. 100%. You need to enjoy your life, and then the money that you make, as well as good as it is keeping it in the business, if you're not spending it on yourself or enjoying life that much, you do question, what am I doing it for in the first place?